The National Bureau of Investigation, or NBI, might issue a subpoena against our former leader. Justice Undersecretary Jesse Andres said the NBI may summon Duterte for his previous call for the military to turn against President Bongbong Marcos. The NBI is continuously monitoring the former president's statements. Duterte's daughter, Vice President Sara Duterte, is expected to go to the NBI today to explain her previous statements against Marcos. Sabi nga dun sa sa isang balita, like daughter, like father. Baliktad kasi mauuna si Vice President Sara Duterte na pumunta sa NBI, and then after nun, they may summon nga former President.
Pero ang ano ko lang is, si FPRRD already had similar statements to this months ago. Di ba yung mga Cebu rallies ba yun, Davao rally? Yung so-called prayer rallies where he was...
Yung mga sa...
Pero
naalala mo, ang
NBI
sinabihan nila doon kasi si former Congressman Pantaleon Alvarez, and then he later apologized.
Yeah, but ang nag-issue ng... Iba yung kay Alvarez eh.
Ganun din siya, yung mga military calling all military to support them.
FPRRD had similar statements that were tantamount also to inciting to sedition. But hindi siya finailan o inimbestigahan. Now, siguro it's because, as Richard Herdaren was saying, he saw that an angry PBBM will put down the hammer and say, tama na. Which was, kailangan na daw magsalita ang presidente.
May mga nakita nga akong mga usap-usapan, may mga narinig ako from different sources. Ito hindi namang usap-usapan lang, no? Sabi nila na parang sinabi daw, allegedly, ni former President Rodrigo Duterte na, President BBM na parang exert lahat ng legal means, 'di ba, to pin down the Duterte.
Well,
pero all legal means, no? So parang on the other side of the fence, all legal means.
Sa akin naman, that's nothing wrong with that eh. If you're using the legal means, hanapan nyo. Kung wala kayong mahanap, hayaan nyo.
Kaya nga sinasabi nila, di ba, at least they're going through the process. Hindi katulad dati nung naalala mo yung teacher nga, di ba, pinag-usapan natin dito before, na sabi, papatayin si former President Rodrigo Duterte. Dinrag siya, kinuha ng NBI.
And yet, in this admin, they're giving courtesy naman, which is good. We're setting a good example. Pero, lahat ng bugbog, kumbaga, na tinanggap ni PBBM, napuno na yung mama. Napuno na si Presidente.
Iba yung itsura niya when he issued that statement.
It's first time I've seen
seryoso.
In his even tenure as Congress and Senator, it's first time I've seen ganun yung eyes niya, tsaka yung
parang nangingit siya na. Paano?